Assalamu alaikum, my brothers and sisters. Black Friday specials, subhanallah. Yes, we're allowed to make use and to benefit from these specials. Sometimes things are being sold at ridiculous prices. So there are people who say, you're not allowed, it's haram, you're a Muslim. To be honest with you, I'd prefer it not being called Black Friday for some reason. But subhanallah, it's a good thing where they have discounts, perhaps towards the end of the year, where people are trying to get rid of their stocks, one hand, and the other, they perhaps, have just gotten used to this sale that happens. It's not wrong to make use of it. Please, guess what? Let me know if you find a bargain, inshallah, in the comments below. If you find an absolute bargain, please tell us, mashallah, why not? Don't just, enjoy these beautiful prices yourself. We also need some stuff sometimes. And you know what? If it's going to be at a bargain, it might be a good idea. You'll earn a reward on top of that. So how do you get a reward through Black Friday sales? By letting others know about the sales. Especially when imagine a beautiful trip somewhere and it's just for $1. Wow, subhanallah. What type of a reward will you get? Subhanallah. Okay, so I thought I'd just speak to you about Black Friday sales, and people are saying you're not allowed, and some people have messaged me to say, please speak about how haram it is. Actually, I'm going to do the opposite, and I'm going to tell you, please let me know if there are any specials. Allah bless you guys. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.